Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Been checking out the ViDA recharging station for the Xbox One controllers. Now you can charge either with the controller like this upside down, where it makes the connection, pretty much sits right in there, kind of cool. So you'll see the connector back there. So go ahead, plop it in, and you'll see that it goes to red. And I believe when it's done, it's going to go green to let you know that it's fully charged. You can also charge by itself without the controller, so if you have the battery pack out. Why you would do that, I'm not really sure unless you had extra battery packs, but for the most part, at the end of the day, you can put it right there and charge it. The charge with the batteries that have come with this unit have been working great, no problems whatsoever, lasting really long, and of course, you know, keeping a charge really good, and then just being able to put it back on the charger at the end of the day is really great too. So it gets power through a standard USB cable right there, you'll see it, and then we have that plugged into the side of the Xbox. For those of you who don't use rechargeable battery packs for the Xbox One controllers, you know how quick you can go through the AA batteries, and you might want to take out a small investment in AA battery production and companies. So this is a really great option. Again, this one just has 2 on here, so if you have more than 2 controllers, you know, when you're playing with these ones, you can always just plop the other ones right on there and charge away. Otherwise, this is a really cool device. Sells for around $20 or so. You can pick it up on Amazon. Check the link below, and we're really enjoying it. A must-have for your Xbox gaming experience. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and make sure you click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything we do, and we'll see you soon.